Hi, Camino John here. I'm trying to get over to the Cracker Art Museum for lunch, but God, this scared the zebras out of me, man. I was walking along and all of a sudden the siren went off and you can see the gates have come down and I'm not sure what they're doing. Taking their own sweet time. I don't see any boats coming from upstream. I don't see any boats coming from downstream. There's one right there. Oh, God. Do you hear the bell? No, hear that? Do you hear that right now? Hear that siren?
Right.
Get the hell off the bridge! Make it! I can get it! Run, Forrest, run! You hear that siren? Ah! Oh, wait a second. Here. Oh! Holy! Ooh, ooh. Oh! Ah! Whew. Ah! Buen camino. Hi, Camino John. Walking along the Sacramento River. There we go. Another day of training. Take care. God bless. Bon camino.